Hello, it's Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen, and I'll be walking you through this approved used vehicle. This is the Volkswagen Touareg V6 eHybrid 4Motion, and it currently has around 1,120 miles on the clock with one previous owner. It comes painted in the stunning Grenadilla Black finish, which looks absolutely fantastic, with a VW badge detailing that's in the front and the rear of the vehicle. The Towbar can be used to pull another vehicle or recover a disabled one. And to minimise risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the wing mirrors do manually fold in. And here are 22-inch S-rail black alloy wheels that really do complement the exterior finish very well, while offering a very stylish look to the car. And as we access the boot, you'll notice a fantastic and spacious boot size, large enough for stuff like shopping bags, suitcases, or even a pram. And you do have your electric tailgate, which will come in handy when you've got your hands full. Following on, we can see this Touareg really has some lovely and well-maintained interior. As you can see, the ISO fixed points, cup holders and armrests at the back, which makes this car perfect for families. And as we access the front of the car directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed car full of fantastic features. And just above the driver's seat of our panoramic sunroof, on the side there, we have our power seat adjustments. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip and do have our headlights there, ensuring that always on the correct times, alongside the window controls and your seat profile selectors. Once this fantastic car comes to life, you can now gain access to the dashboard display, where we can view key information here like car mileage, whilst on the move, and we do have our assist systems featuring your front assist, which warns the driver of impending collisions. Over to the infotainment screen with a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Head to App Connect. This offers the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing us to access driver-safe applications, including Spotify, Apple Music and navigation. And to tailor your driving experience, there are many different driving modes to choose from, depending on what type of driving experience you may enjoy. Over to our climate controls, you'll notice we have many different options available here, including your front heated seats with the cooling and heating settings. And to finally finish this video off with our Park Pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the area view ensures safety, especially manoeuvring out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight.